to 90 frames at, at full settings. And this is not even working at all. Like, what is going on? Seriously, this thing has an SSD, so it shouldn't be having any problems. It has a decent processor. It will go up turbo clock up to 24 gigahertz, which is enough to do the normal stuff. Which I literally recording videos at 1.2 gigahertz, and this is the base clock of 1.4, and this is not even working properly. It's just Android. Basically, a phone can run Android, but also just mean a laptop. Although some are foldable, this is not, and just playing with the keyboard. Otherwise, I'll just be playing with it like simply just a tablet. I put an Optifine on this so it can run the game. Although despite this thing having Optifine, oh, this is glitched out. This thing has an Optifine. I just realized a while ago that the reason why it's running so bad is because the amount of RAM it's actually using is literally the least amount of RAM I ever seen myself use. Seriously. Seriously, I don't think that I can play at this for too long. This is basically more expensive than the tablet that I had before. And when I'm playing games without recording, this thing is pretty decent. But we see right now that it's not. So I don't understand what's going on, but hopefully the video comes out enough for people to see it and actually watch the video, because really I'm excited to even play this right now. Th- This is unable to play on my phone right now. Kinda. It's increasing slowly and the frames is increasing slowly, but I can't see the frames, but I can kinda notice the frames. And then, oh my god, the lag. Also, I hope you guys don't see the tiny buttons. Really, I'm just not using the buttons. You see, those buttons I'm actually not using, I'm just using a keyboard. As you see, it's called a Chromebook and it's able to be used basically as a and think of it like an Android laptop. And this not. Well, this screen is at full settings, so no, it's not. It's not at 20 render distance. It's only at 6. Yeah, this is terrible. Seriously, unlike the tablet, the frame rate at least was just it's great actually. It was real good. But now when I'm recording it's just bad. At least it can run at least. Before it wasn't running. There's a cave system down there. Which I'm joining the cave system because I literally need some more sticks so I can get some more torches. Which I only want the one that it reached too loud. Jeez. I hope this is at least in 720p, although I can. You know, stupid. That's all that. You hit iron. Despite this is can stream real, not stream like stream outwards. I'm talking about like can stream like you can on YouTube you can stream 4K video without any problems, but you can play some simple Minecraft low settings that won't like it doesn't make sense here. Or medium settings per se. That's all I need. Like Minecraft doesn't have a medium settings, but there's a certain amount of settings you can play at. And this is at medium, so people don't just go mad at least, but people might just go mad with this frame rate, so eh. Because this frame rate is so bad, they're probably not noticing what's going on, and so forth. This frame rate at least is getting better. Not good, but better. It's taking more and more of the RAM, which I'm thankful for, despite it's literally taking up RAM or random memory, whatever. I don't have to be a nerd on this part, right? At least, hopefully. Unless you guys want to. So, anyway, you guys are probably like, I don't understand why this only using a little bit of the RAM. This thing has 4 gigs of RAM and it's literally taking so little. It's probably not the RAM itself, no. It has to be the graphics card. Most likely it has to be that. Also, they should have. Let me check. It has it. So why not? Oh yeah, because I already done those ones. So yes, it's not all good. These achieve. Not all the achievements will come from this world because I've done 2 worlds before this one. Or some of them will. This is 6. Alright, I need to that over too. This one because I really like it when it's more organized and easier to tell what the crap is happening. I like to instead of using the trackpad, use the use a number pad or at least a mouse. Actually, you know, would be great. So you guys probably wondering, hey, what happened? Well, the thing that caused you to stop being YouTube for a while? Oh shoot! Oh crap! Oh my god! Dodge again! Another dodge! I can probably run over here. Actually, it's not a good idea to run over here because of that water. Oh my god! Dodge! That's such a dodge. Oh, he's coming. He's definitely coming. Why is he going away? He's like he's guarding something. Seriously, is he guarding something or something like that? Because he looks like the kind of person that would guard something.